Today, I'm going to show you how to download and use Garmin's inReach Sync desktop application with the inReach SE, SE Plus, Explorer, and Explorer Plus. inReach Sync was designed to synchronize data between your inReach device and the Explorer website. When you make changes to your data on explore.garmin.com, it is important to use the Sync application to copy those changes to your inReach device. Here, I'm changing the quick text message options. To use inReach Sync, you will need a Windows computer, the inReach, and a micro USB cable. Begin by connecting your inReach to the computer. Then we will download inReach Sync. To download inReach Sync, log in to explore.garmin.com. Then, select the Plans and Devices tab. Select the Sync and Update button and choose Windows or Mac link under the inReach Sync desktop application option. At this time, the application will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, install the application. Agree to the terms and conditions and select Install. Select Yes if you are asked about allowing the software to make changes. Then, select Close when it is complete. You can minimize the Explore page and open the inReach Sync application from your desktop. After opening inReach Sync, a box will appear to sign in and then select Login. Make sure to use the same Explore account as before. This ensures you are syncing the correct data. The syncing process will begin after you sign in. Your inReach may restart while the information is being synced. The green check mark means you are ready to disconnect your inReach and your data has been synced. Remember, it's always a good idea to double-check your changes have been synced on the inReach. For future syncs, just connect your inReach to the computer and open the inReach Sync app from the desktop. And that's it! Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.